what I wanted to start with today was just ask you, how does your process work when it comes to hiring? So hopefully you're not hopefully, I know for a fact, but you're not doing it like Shireen Dickens in 2017 used to do, which was like hiring people off the street, giving them an address.
So
What does your process look like now? Not the whole hiring process, we're specifically talking about the application.
it comes down to first having a great job ad, right? We have to think about hiring as we think about marketing, right? We think about, oh, how can I get customers? And we think of a lot of times I see people think of client as cleaners as add-ons, right? It's like, oh yeah, I need cleaners to do. We need to get cleaners. We need to get no. They're vitally important, just like your customers. They're
Yep.
two sides. If you do the numbers and you start talking about how much a cleaner earns you every year, then you'll be able to understand more of, if your averages, if they get you 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, whatever they can get you in revenue, and you understand what they bring to your business, then you will be able to say, oh, they're very important. I need to keep them here. I need to make them happy.
And I need to market to them the same way that we market to our clients. That is a very excellent point that you made. A lot of us are looking at cleaners as the last part, like, all right, got to get my marketing in, got to get these great clients. We got to make sure that we do everything to impress these clients and get the job. We have to do the same thing for our cleaners. We need to impress our cleaners with our company and our knowledge and our platform that we have for them. We need to support them. We need to uplift them. And they, in turn, are going to bring us the business that we desire. You can't do it by yourself. That means you must have staff, cleaners, office people, assistants, however you do it. And when we are speaking to them, we have to speak to them with the same, I want to say kid gloves, but not necessarily kid gloves, but we want to speak to them the same way that we're speaking to our clients, putting out, like you said, a good video about you and your company, or making sure that they know, what to expect. When are they hired? When are they training? What are they doing?
That's deeper off in the process, and so of course we're talking about onboarding and in your process, understanding, make sure your cleaners are clear,
Yep.
safe with your customers. Now, one of the things that we want to be able to do is we're speaking the end in mind. What type of cleaners do you want? What are the values of your company? Do you want people that are experienced? Do you want cleaners that are coming in? And I've seen the gauntlet of some people like, hey, I want an experienced cleaner, somebody who knows how to clean already, and we just need to, kind of mold them into what they're doing. Some
Yep.
people are like, oh, people are stuck in their ways, and I don't want an experienced cleaner. I want somebody brand new that I could train. I train for attitude. I train for skill, not attitude, right? And
Yeah.
I've talked to so many business owners. I've seen both work. So I don't say if or just depending on your personality. Are you willing to take more time to train somebody and go through that length, or are you saying, hey, I care more about the result than I do getting it exactly by my process, right?
Gotcha.
So that's the things that people wait. Understanding that, then you understanding on your job application, you can start talking to those people. I'm looking for experienced cleaners. I'm looking for cleaners that are not experienced, right? Or people who have great attitude. Have you ever thought about getting in the cleaning business, but you never knew about it? So I've seen talking to different owners, different ads. Hey, have you ever thought about cleaning? If you're not, it's a great job. You get these many hours, this time, you get to work by yourself. Or are you a cleaning business? Are you a cleaner? You've been working in the cleaning industry and you
Mhm.
want to find a great place to work. You feel like you haven't gotten the opportunity that you wanted. You want to come and find out more about cleaning. Those are two different types of ads
So
targeting
tell me about yours. Who do you target? Like, what's the wording with yours?
both ways. We focus more on people who are new, right? Who want to clean, but they've never cleaned. Of course, and I always tell people you're leaning towards one or the other, but you're hiring both, right?
Yeah.
Now I know some people don't hire at all, either one or, right? But I have it where I will take experienced cleaners, but my focus is on people who say, hey, we've never cleaned before. And what we do is we take them in and we gradually get them into cleaning. Because what I found is that some people find the cleaning soothing and enjoying,
True.
right? And they start to say, okay, you know what, this is a soothing and enjoying experience, and that's how that really works.
For mine, I like people with a little more experience. I don't mind training new, but I tailor the words on my application to say that, you know, do you already know how to clean, but just need an environment that is set up easily for you to go to work, get the job done, and that be it? Well, this is perfect for you here at Finish and Touch NYC. We have a platform set up with A, B, C, 1, 2, and 3, so that it kind of sounds nicer to someone who has a little bit of experience already. Don't mind training, don't mind, at all people with no experience. I just tailor, because like you said, you're leaning one way or another without whether you know it or not. So I just like to tailor my words to people who have a little more experience. And the whole point of saying that was to say that when you are going for your cleaner, you need to be marketing to them. So make sure you are, just like when we're speaking to our client and we'll say something that we know that will bring that specific type of client in. We want to do the same thing with our cleaners on our applications. A great way to do that too is a video, um, about yourself, about your company, and about their position. What that will do is stand you out as a company who knows exactly what you want, know exactly what you're looking for, and also it gives the cleaner more of a sense of like, oh, okay, this is a legitimate company I'm dealing with here. There's thousands of cleaning companies. Cleaning companies come and go. You want to stand yourself out as being top tier. The same way that you want to stand yourself out to your client as being top tier, you want to stand yourself out to your cleaner as being top tier, because what that will do in turn for you is it will create, a kind of respect for your company up front. And that helps dictate how your cleaners are going to, follow the rules, act, how long they'll stay with you, everything like that. Just think of it when you were searching for jobs. What stood out to you? Did they make it seem like a fun environment? Was it about benefits? Like whatever it was that stood out to you, that's what I like to do with my company. I remember things that stood out to me and jumped out to me and apply that and make sure that I'm bringing people in and giving them a reason to stay and making sure that the wording that we're using is going to actually bring in the kind of people that you want listening.